Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna show you how to use the TOR browser to browse privately and to use tornado.cash to mix your Ethereum. But first, let me just hop to my wallet on hexwin.fun and let me mint my few tokens from the AA lobby from yesterday. So let me just mint those tokens. Boom, already confirmed. So I'm just waiting the tokens to arrive. In the meantime, I will of course participate with the usual 0.1 Ethereum in the AA lobby. If you guys wish a 10% extra bonus, just go to hexwin.fun and with the transformation you will get your bonus. Let me confirm this transaction as well. Boom, already done. So next task of the day will be the staking and continued building up the CD ladder till 90 days. So I have 2 stakes to go. Just let me enter this stake as well. 100k for 995 days. Looking good. Confirming the transaction. Boom, already confirmed. Let's go to the main topic of today. What you need to browse privately with TOR Browser is the TOR Browser, of course. So first you go to torproject.org. and you're going to download the TOR browser by clicking on this button. After the installation of the TOR browser, you can launch the TOR browser, and next we're going to need to install MetaMask. For that, you type in MetaMask in the search field, you hit enter. Sometimes the internet speed with the TOR browser is a little bit slower than usual because it's a secure connection over multiple hops. So you click the first link, metamask.io. You're going to click on Get Firefox Add-on, click Add to Firefox. You're going to click Continue to Installation. Wait for the download to finish. When the download completed, you can click Add to add your MetaMask add-on to your TOR browser. This is already done, the installation part. So now you click Get Started and create a new wallet. We agree to help to improve MetaMask. We create a new password. Next, we're gonna need to back up our secret phrase. For the best option, you choose a paper and a pen. So you click on your seed phrase, you copy this phrase or write it down, keep it secure. Click Next. Now we're gonna put in the words in the right order from the notes. Gonna confirm. All done. With that, we created our MetaMask. Now you can see you have the first account. You can also click on the little Firefox up here. Click on the round button here. Gonna create a new account. Gonna name this account tornado.cash. Create. So now you can see we have 2 accounts. Gonna go to the first account. We're gonna click on account number 1. We go back to our first account. We're gonna click the 3 little dots. We're gonna click account details. And we're gonna rename this account deposit. The next step is to deposit some Ethereum on your deposit wallet. For that, you click deposit, view account, and send Ethereum to this account.
3 hours later.
After the confirmation of the Ethereum blockchain, you have now 0.2 Ethereum in your deposit wallet. My Tornado.cash wallet is still empty. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to open up the tornado.cash website. After the website is loaded, please be aware that tornado.cash is audited. However, it's still an experimental software, so please use it at your own risk. First, what we see is the interface for deposit and withdraw. On the left side, some Ethereum. On the right side, we have the statistics of the last mixes. And down here, you can see I obtain an address from somewhere by the TOR network. First, we're going to connect our MetaMask wallet. Click Connect. Going to choose MetaMask. Connect. With that, we already connected our deposit MetaMask wallet. Now we're going to deposit some Ethereum to mix with tornado.cash. We're going to choose Ethereum, choose 0.1 Ethereum. We're going to click deposit. Confirm that you backed up the node and send the deposit. MetaMask will open up again. You can confirm the transaction, change the gas fee if you like. So now we send 0.1 Ethereum to the smart contract of the Tornado.cash, and we are waiting for the mix. Usually you need to wait at least 24 hours for a secure and private mix of your Ethereum. So before you withdraw your Ethereum back to your wallet, you should wait at least 24 hours and you should renew your IP address. As we saw at the start, you can see here your IP address. With the TOR browser, it's really easy just to renew the IP address as well. Just click on the little green lock and click New Circuit for this site. Then wait until the site is reloaded. We received a new IP address from somewhere else, so with that you don't have a link between your deposit and your withdraw. Go and click withdraw, and now you will see a little error if you just installed the TOR browser the first time. So we need to adjust a JavaScript option. For that, you open a new tab, you type in about config, you hit enter, you accept the risk, and in the search bar you type in JavaScript options and .w, and with that you can adjust the first option by double clicking to the value true. Gonna close this tab, gonna reload the page, gonna click withdraw, and now the error is gone. Copy the note, gonna paste the note in the search field. The note will be checked first. After the note was checked, you will see the amount you will receive from your mixed, and it will also warn you that only 5 minutes has passed since the deposit. So as I said before, it's preferred to wait at least 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Withdraw the Ethereum as well. Next, you're gonna click the MetaMask Firefox, and you're going to change to your tornado.cash wallet. You click on the tornado.cash wallet to copy your address, and you're going to paste the address in here. Now you see you pay some relayer fee and you will receive 0.925 Ethereum to your tornado.cash wallet. Click withdraw. It's generating the proof that we are the right person to withdraw those Ethereum from the mixer. After the withdrawal was checked successfully, you've got your withdrawal confirmation, confirm the withdrawal, and now the relayer is sending your transaction. The transaction was successfully sent. We just need the confirmation by the blockchain, and we're gonna check our tornado.cash for that. Hit the 3 little dots, view on Etherscan. Yes, we already received our tokens by the tornado.cash smart contract. So now those Ethereum are mixed and ready to spend for some nice HEX tokens. If you like, you can swap them on Uniswap with the TOR browser. So if you have any questions to my latest video, please leave a comment down below. If you like to be reviewed another software or a future on the internet, just leave a comment, like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.